No worries about babies running out of formula, folks. Back in the day, they knew how to take care of that. The first thing that you can do is find a milking goat nearest you. Milking goats have the most perfect vitamin-rich milk ever, okay? Now, you can take the goat's milk and you can add things like sea salt and ground ginger and a few other things, and you can make the perfect baby formula. Remember, this is for fun. Let's just call it for fun. This video is just for fun. I'm not a doctor, so take it all with a grain of salt. So that is what people do in the Amish community. It's also what our forefathers did to feed babies if there was not a mother available to do so. You can also use something called evaporated milk or pet milk, cornation. You guys know what I'm talking about. And you can mix that 50-50 with water. Now, if you don't have clean available water, you can boil the water firsthand to clean it, let it cool, and you mix the evaporated canned milk 50-50, shake it up real good, and in a pinch, it will work for emergencies. So I hope that this helps. If you know somebody somewhere in the United States, say, you know, the eastern states, that is running out of formula, and possibly there's no way to get to them, please make sure you forward this video along, folks. It may save somebody's baby. This can also be used for other mammal babies. You heard me right. This disaster may have left several species of animals without their mothers. Anything from a squirrel to a kitten to a calf to anything like that. You can save its life using this formula.